YouTube. Check it. First video 2025. Today we got a little unboxing, this little package thing. You know what I'm saying? So like I've been ordering a couple clothes. This one's from Rockstar Original. They had a little thing going on, bro. There's a mystery pant and a mystery tee, or like mystery hoodie or something like that. So you know what I'm saying? I caught both. You know what I'm saying? Because I couldn't really pick up what I like. Let's check out the tee first. The tee's gray tee. Look like got a white design on it. Oh, it looks kind of big. Oh shit, it's a long sleeve. Yo, I don't even have a lot of long sleeve, but yo, this is tough. And they do come like distressed and stuff, like, which is kind of different, really. This is on the front. Low key, kind of wish I was on the back. So they basically sent me like a whole fit. That's what it's like, little crosses that say Rockstar Original on there. The material feel, it's real soft, like, kind of gives it that vintage feel. These is the pants. These is like some super cargo pants. They're kind of distressed too on the pockets, but they're not like really ripped or anything. They do kind of stink. Ain't gonna lie. Don't mind the clothes back there in the middle loop doing laundry, bro. Like I just got home. I was copping some fabric markers because I was gonna, you know what I'm saying, try something different. And like I got an all gray hoodie that I caught from like this little store. Like they sell like hoodies and shirts and stuff, like the custom shirt stores. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. I caught like 2 hoodies from there, and I'm finna just like write on both of them. Let me get this on and then show you how it fits and everything. All right, so like off rip, I'm really feeling the shirt. Like the shirt is hard. I mean like it kind of this stress thing look kind of throws me off, but it's, you know what I'm saying, like you know what I'm saying. And then the pants, a little kind of big around the waist, bro. So I threw my belt on already. These is actual pockets, which is kind of weird. I threw on the shoes I had on already, so like it kind of looks all right with the Vapor Maxes I got on. Like well, I can say it like, bro, but like I can't help it. So like, you know what I'm saying? It's a common little fit that they sent me, because I didn't know what to really pick out their website. The shirt, I like the way the shirt fits. The shirt, you know what I'm saying, with the crosses on the sleeves. The pants is the pants is okay. Like, to be honest, bro, these pants is like crazy, like different. And you know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't something I'm used to wearing, but you know what I'm saying? This way, I was really just, you know what I'm saying, getting in that, building up my closet and shit, you know what I'm saying? So like, gotta start somewhere. I just ordered some Mental Health Matters tees from Euphoric, and when they get here, we're finna do another unboxing on those. But actually, yeah, I'm gonna get back to doing this laundry, bro. 2025 is all about consistency. So this is the first video of the year. I'm trying to go hard on YouTube this year. You know what I'm saying? I got everything I need already, bro. I give it to God, and then boom, get to work. I'm just recording this unboxing because it literally got here as soon as I pulled up from Hobby Lobby to pick up some markers. Let me see if I can grab them. Over here. You know what I'm saying? And like, check the hoodies out. So like, they is kind of oversized. These hoodies is kind of like oversized. Fuck, it's gonna be hot. Cause I just get out the dryer. This one, I don't really got. Oh, it shrunk. This hoodie shrunk, bro. Ain't no way. This thing was oversized as hell last time, bro. But I'm still rocking with it. Like, check it though. This one, I was gonna do like black on the back, like Lost in Love. I don't know. It literally just came to me last night while I was trying to sleep. So I like did my research on a lot of things. real quick, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, you get that little push right before you go to sleep. You're like, oh, let me look this up. Let me look this up. Let me look this up. And then on the other one, it's an all white hoodie just like this one. I'm gonna do roses on the side. Like I already picked out some clip art and stuff. The rose with the rose vine, like vines coming up the sleeve. I might just do it on the left sleeve. Just leave it like that. Like one sleeve with roses on it and the rest, that's it. I'm gonna check back in after I get off work though. You know what I'm saying? Duty calls, bro. What's up, y'all? Back. And then first, what I was gonna say, I ain't record me using them fabric markers on those sweaters or nothing, but I just want to show y'all what I had came up with. So. Like this is the first one I had did. It's just something slight, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's lost love. Got the little tag at the bottom right here. You know, the hoodie was probably like $12. Markers were like 20, bro. But I think he came out pretty good. But if I ain't gonna lie, I think I hit that shit. And this one. And the other one's still a work in progress, but I'll still show y'all anyway. Not bad, don't you think? Like I said, this one's a work in progress because I told y'all I was gonna do the whole sleeve with roses and stuff. But as right now, I just got like 3, and it's all on the inside. You know what I'm saying? With the tag on this one's on the sleeve. Which I could have did a little more straight, but you know what I'm saying? I feel like that's alright. It's cool, whatever. But this one, I feel like this one's fire too. Like, you know what I'm saying? I just gotta fill up this part back here. Something slight. This is all that's going on here though. It's like some more roses. I gotta finish this one. And I just wanted to get like into the process, really making my own clothes. Cause I've seen a lot of people do that. And it inspired me to do that as well. So you know what I'm saying? Like it just makes sense. Go get you something. Make it better. That way you don't really gotta look for nothing that you would wear because you could make something that you would wear. You know what I'm saying? You can't make something. I don't think I want to make something that I'm not gonna wear. You know what I'm saying? And that way I can make it to my liking too. Cause you know, I might find I might find a shirt or a pair of shorts that's a certain color, but got something on it that I don't really like. But I could make me a pair of shorts or a shirt that got something on it that I would like. You know what I'm saying? Like this. You know what I'm saying? Leave a couple touch-ups and stuff, but you know what I'm saying? I'm not the best, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm just experimenting right now, you know what I'm saying? Planting the seeds for the flowers to grow, bro. Nah, but that being said, I'm still waiting on them euphoric teas. It's been like 2 days since I did this, I think. I don't remember. And I didn't really want to record the process because I had my sisters in here doing it with me. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. I do got a pair of regular jeans that I was going to try to draw something on those too. But for those, I'm using paint markers. I'm not going to use the fabric markers right now. But I think they came out pretty dope, bro. The other one, the gray one, I like the gray one better right now because, you know what I'm saying, the white one's still a work in progress, bro. But that one's really tough. And it ain't nothing too crazy either, you know what I'm saying? This one, I just gotta put like probably like bam, bam, bam. And probably one like right there. So I'm gonna do the roses first, and then I'm gonna fill in with the leaves, cause at first the first rose I did that one. And then, you know what I'm saying, I drew a vine next to it, so I'm gonna probably have like a little vein coming off from back here, coming this way right here. Tough. And then Probably behind this rose going down like that. Bam, rose here. So bam, bam, and then just them two connected coming. I could have it probably coming around the back like that. Under this rose right here, just going in the middle. So we got one up here. Bam, bam. 3 more left. This hoodie gonna be fire. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'll tap back in once I finish this one off, and then I think that's gonna be the end of the video. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all 2025 all about consistency. That's consistency in my health, consistency in my workouts, consistency in my reading, consistency in my YouTube, consistency in everything. Consistency, consistency, consistency. Like I said, we're planting the seeds for the flowers to grow. With that being said, I'll tap back in with y'all when this hoodie's finished. Or I might be finished in the next video. This is going to be the end of this video. I'll show y'all in the next video because this video got to go up. But hope y'all all had a great new year, you know what I'm saying? Let's all start this year off great, man. It's our time. It's our time. Like the video. Make sure to subscribe. See y'all in the next one.